Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete TikTok Shop account. So let's get right into it. Head over to your, before heading over to anything, let me tell you this is an informative video. So let's get right into it. So let me show you to just delete a TikTok account. You just need to go to my account and go to account settings and then close shop account and follow the outline steps. Like if you're to close your TikTok shop seller account, the following criteria must be met. That are these, let me tell you, all shop products must be deactivated, all orders have been processed or closed, and no orders have been placed in the past 90 days. All payments have been settled. All commission fees have been paid. There are no current violation tickets involving frozen payments. And once all these fields are marked finished, you can click next and proceed to the following step and review the policy carefully. After clicking next, your account closure will be completed. Hope this video will help you out, and be sure to share this information with your friends and family, and we will see you in the next one.